Hello students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Myself Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 4th Computer Science video lectures of chapter 4 Windows 7. Students, open your computer book at page number 29. Today we are going to cover up these topics. First, the desktop, changing the wallpaper and setting a screensaver. So students, let's start with the brief introduction of the Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system. So, Windows 7 is a product of Microsoft Corporation. It is a special computer program that allows computer users to interact with the computer and its device. If your computer not have the operating system Windows 7, then we can't interact with the computer. So, Windows 7 is the essential or we can say compulsory program for the computer. When you switch on the computer, loading of the operating system starts on the computer. This process of loading operating system is called booting. Students, जब आप अपना सिस्टम ऑन करते हैं, कंप्यूटर ऑन करते हैं, तो आपके पास विंडोज़ का एक आइकन आपको दिखता है. The loading of operating system starts on the computer. तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Loading of the operating system. The process of loading the operating system is called the booting. So what is the booting? It is the process of loading the operating system on the computer. Now you can see this is a desktop. Student, this desktop screen appear on your computer when you switch on the computer. Okay, this desktop screen have different elements. First we have some icons. Icons is a small shape images present on the desktop screen. This is the My Computer, Recycle Bin, Firefox, folder icon and the Chrome icon, and this is your taskbar. On the taskbar we have different elements. First we have start button to start any programs. Then we have some quick launch bar. In the quick launch bar we have icons of different programs: Chrome, Internet Explorer, Windows Media Player and the folder icons. And here on the extreme right of the taskbar we have the system tray. On the system tray we have different elements, like we have date and time, we have different programs icon here. Okay. Now we will see each of the element present on the desktop one by one. First is icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. As we have already seen in the previous slide, the desktop contains various types of icons, like we have My Computer icon, Recycle Bin icon, folder icon and the files icon. Next we have start button. By pressing the start button you can start application, run programs or search files or folder. Students, if you want to open the MS Word in your computer, then first you have to click on the start button, then choose the accessories of all programs, then we have to click on the MS Word application. Okay. So, to open any program or any application you always have to click on the start button. Next, screensaver. This is a moving image seen when computer is not in use for some time. Students, when we leave the computer or we are not using the computer, then a moving image appear on your desktop screen, which is known as screensaver. Next element we have taskbar. The horizontal bar that is placed at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It also has other elements. Students, as we have seen in the desktop screen, the bottom bar is known as the taskbar, and on the taskbar we have different elements. We have quick launch bar, we have system tray. Now we will see the quick launch bar. It contains icons of application that can be launched by a single left click. It means this quick launch bar contains icons of application that you want to open. So, to open that application you just left click on that application, then that application will be open in your computer. Next we have system tray. It holds system clock, system volume and some other notification icons. Students, if you want to reset the volume of the computer, then you can click on the system volume, which is available on the system tray, or if you want to set date and time of the computer, then again you have to click the system tray, system clock icon. Okay. Now next element of the desktop is wallpaper. The wallpaper is the background image of the desktop is called wallpaper. Students, if you want to change the wallpaper, you can easily change the desktop wallpaper by some steps that we see in this video. Now, the next topic is changing the wallpaper. As I told you students, if you want to change the background image of the desktop, you can easily change by following some steps. So, now we will see the steps to change the wallpaper. First, right click on the desktop, then a drop down menu appears. Okay, first you have to right click on the desktop, then a menu will appear. From the drop down menu, click the personalize option. Okay, so you have to choose the or you have to click on the personalize option. When you click on the personalize option, then this type of window appear on your screen. Okay, here you have to choose the wallpaper that you want to set on your desktop background screen. Here click the desktop background option. Okay, then you have to click on the desktop background option. Then another windows appear. This is the another windows which have different desktop icons. Here you can see the background images that you can put on your desktop background screen. Here choose the wallpaper of your choice by clicking the save changes button. First you have to click on any image that you want to set as your wallpaper. Then here you have save changes button. Okay, you have to click on the save changes button. Then जो आपका new desktop जो आपका new wallpaper होगा that will appear in the background of your desktop. Okay student, so these are the steps to change the wallpaper of your desktop. Now we will move to our next topic, which is setting a screensaver. Students, we already know screensaver is the moving image which is appear on your desktop screen when we are not using the computer for some time. So, the steps to setting a screensaver are: first, right click on the desktop. Again you have to right click on the desktop and a drop down menu appears on your screen. Here from the drop down menu, click the personalize option again. Next, a window appears, click the screensaver option. Okay, so जो भी आपका window appear होता है on your screen, then you have to choose the screensaver option on that window. Next, the screensaver settings dialog box appear. When you click on the screensaver option, then आपके पास screensaver settings dialog box appear होगा students. Then set the minutes in the wait box to tell the computer when the screensaver is to be activated. It means we have to set the time limit. It means अगर आप अपने सिस्टम को 5 मिनट के लिए छोड़ देते हैं, उस पर कोई वर्क नहीं करते हैं, सिस्टम इज़ नॉट इन यूज़ till the 5 minute, then आपका screensaver appear होगा on your screen. Okay, so we have to set the time in the wait box. Click OK button to apply the screensaver. Okay, now your screensaver is activated when you are not using your computer. We will see. Here this is a screensaver setting dialog box. See, here you can see the preview of the screensaver, and this is the screensaver dialog box. By clicking on this drop down menu, drop down list, you can select any screensaver that you want to apply on your screen. Here I have choose the bubbles. Okay, bubbles screensaver, and you can see here the bubbles. Okay, bubbles are appear on your screen. Okay, so this is the preview of your screensaver. So you can see कि कौन सा screensaver आपका किस तरह से show होगा, किस तरह से appear होगा on your screen. Okay, so you have to choose here the screensaver and then click OK button, or you can apply on the, or you can choose the apply button. Okay. The screensaver will appear after the time chosen by you in the wait box. Here you can see this is the wait box. Here I have mentioned 2 minutes. Okay, so after the 2 minutes, when you are not using your computer, जब आप 2 minutes तक अपना computer use नहीं करेंगे students, then this bubbles screensaver will appear your screen. But only if you do not perform any task on the computer. Okay, जब आप कोई भी task perform नहीं करते हैं, आपका system use नहीं आ रहा है, then after the 2 minutes आपके screen पर bubbles appear हो जाएंगे students. Students, now we will see the practical of how to changing the wallpaper and how to set the screensaver on the Windows 7 desktop. Students, here you can see the desktop screen which is appear when you switched on the computer. So, this is your desktop screen. Here we have different elements. We have some shortcuts. My computer, Recycle Bin, Firefox, Google Chrome. These are some shortcuts, new folder shortcut, and this is your taskbar. Okay. On the taskbar, extreme right direction, we have system time and date, system sound, and on this taskbar we also have the start button. This is your start button, and we have some icons here which is available on the quick launch bar. Okay. Students, now we will see how to change the wallpaper of the desktop screen. For this, you have to just right click on the screen and then choose the personalize option. See, this is your personalize option. We have to click on the personalize option. When we click on the personalize option, then personalize dialog box appear on your screen. Okay. Here you have to choose the desktop background option. This is desktop background option. You have to just click on it, then your desktop background screen will appear. Here you have to choose you can choose desktop background for your desktop screen. Okay, by scrolling you can choose different desktop background. Okay, here I have to choose landscape, and when you have choose the background, then you have to click on the save changes button. This is your save changes button. When you click on this button, you can see your desktop background has been changed with the new one desktop background. Okay, you can see the appearance of your new desktop background. Now we will see, students, how to set the screen saver. Again we have to right click on the screen and then again choose the personalize option, then click on the screen saver option. This is your screen saver option. Okay, click on this, then screen saver settings dialog box appear on your screen. Okay, here from the screen saver box, this is your screen saver box, and here we have drop down list. Okay, by clicking on the drop down list, we have to choose any screen saver. Here we have choose bubbles screen saver. Okay, here we have wait box. In the wait box, you can set the time by which your screen saver will appear on your screen. Okay, when we are not using the computer. Then to see the preview of your screensaver, you just click on the preview button again. So this is a preview of your screensaver. It means till the 2 minutes you are not using your computer, then this bubbles screensaver will appear on your desktop screen. Okay. Now you have to click on the OK button, or you can click on the apply button. Okay, student. So this is the practical how to change the wallpaper and how to set the screensaver in your desktop. Students, I hope you have understood how to change the wallpaper and how to set screensaver in your desktop screen. In the next video of this chapter, we will cover the remaining topic of this chapter. Till then, thank you students. Have a nice day.